Hey y'all, today I'm at a very special place. I am at Creekside Nursery here in Dallas, North Carolina, and we are going to be visiting Creekside Nursery. So I can't wait to share this journey with you today. All right guys, let's go. Today we're in Dallas, North Carolina, visiting Jennie and Geri at Creekside Nursery, home of the popular YouTube channel Gardening with Creekside. Their nursery and greenhouse are right here on their property, and they were so kind to spend a lot of time with us today. It was truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We had a chance to hear their story and how they got started and the journey that they've been on ever since, and the exciting things that they're doing at the garden center now. Jennie and Geri are not only just like incredibly knowledgeable, but some of the kindest and most genuine people you would ever want to meet. It was such a joy to visit and just to soak in their hospitality underneath the beautiful pine trees. And of course, I could not leave without picking up a few beautiful flowers. So I just wanted to share this day with you guys when me and my hubby got to go visit Creekside Nursery. So this was my second time, and it did not disappoint. We were just in awe of everything. So this was one of my favorite parts of the nursery. This is their proven winners signature garden, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So what they're trying to do with the signature gardens is to display a lot of the new plants for 2025. So in the middle you'll see the Supertunia Tiara Pink, and then you see some of the heliotrope and the sweet potato vine and the angelonia. So a lot of the new ones that will be out, or that are out, you'll see them here all in one collection, which is kind of like having a magazine 3D. So it's really pretty. I love also too how they've got the benches so you can sit around and just relax. This is a hardy geranium here, and this is a phlox.
Until the pollinators love it.
Oh yeah. And then you come over here and you see you've got some of the gardenias, which smell really good. Ooh, there's another pollinator. And then over here in the shady area, all the new dahlias, and you've got the cleome and the hibiscus in the back. And there's a creek that runs right along here. So that's why you're Creekside Nursery and Gardening with Creekside. Look at the size of this daylily. It is so big. It's so tall. And there's the baptisia beside it. It's beautiful. But you can kind of see how it's kind of set down into like a bowl because there's a hill over there. But everything kind of flows here into the lake, and then it goes into the creek as well. So this is very low land through here. It's a really pretty combination with the Incredible Pink and then these daylilies. Very pretty. One of my favorite, the Little Lime Punch. And they've got a lot of them. I would 100% recommend that you add Creekside Nursery to your bucket list. If you have never been before, you will not be disappointed. Their gardens are absolutely beautiful. The hospitality is so wonderful, and we had such a great time visiting with Jennie and Geri. Thanks for traveling with me. Bye, friends.